Day 2 in Atlanta. I did not vlog anything yesterday. I'm a terrible YouTuber. But come with me to get grillz. I'm finna come what's happening. I want VVs, but I'm from Florida. I can't skip the goals. Yeah, I'm finna get my mouth flooded. No bet. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably like 8 at top, 10 at the bottom. You feel me? So I'm about to go to that famous flea market. You feel me, in Atlanta? I forgot what. I think it's like 185 flea market or like 285 flea market. So I'm finna call an Uber and get some golds in my mouth. No bet. So I'm gonna just show y'all. No, wait till I come veneers. Call me up an Uber. I got somewhere to be.
How you doing, man?
I'm doing good. How you doing?
Doing well. Yeah, this thing had me up here. I'm sorry about that.
Nah, that's all good. I'm finna get flooded on the grill. It ain't working. Shit. 1,040, no bet. But right on my cheek.
Okay,
Cool.
clean your mouse. Yep.
Is the bottom cool? Man, when I get veneers, I gotta get them right down on, bro. Man, I gotta go pick up my grillz. I don't know, man. You know, I just be sponging through my hair. I don't got no style or nothing. Like, my hair too short for the braids. But I'm gonna lock up in a little bit. You feel me? Give me a little bit longer. I'm gonna lock up. But yeah, just get it situated. So I gotta pick up my grillz at 7:30. After that, I'm gonna see what I'm low-key looking. I need to lose like 200 pounds though. You feel me? But you know, yeah. But I'm about to go pick up my grillz. I'm gonna find something to do. My baddest had some day parties. I'm gonna find something to do at night. And I'm gonna bring y'all with me. Damn, I'm gonna bring y'all with me. I can't speak English. Sheesh. So, okay. Damn, what the heck? Little shorts. I don't know what the heck is that. Little shorts, Asics. Okay.
Type.
So, me, man, rapping, going bigger, baby.